knocked the fuck out.
As me sit down here, I browse the media. I mind my own business. I come across a specific video, dog, and I'll leave a link for that in the description. The title of the video is "Dude Gets Knocked Out with a Bowling Ball During an Argument with His Girlfriend at the Bowling Alley."
Huh?
You know, I could just see the video and then come back, but me can't play the whole video, and you know, YouTube stay on it, and copyright on it.
This nigga's scared.
You can't show certain things on YouTube. It's a no-no. It's a no-go. Look at this shit. Okay. First of all, the first thing, well, me personally, first thing that me not going to do, me not gonna get up in her face. Me just not gonna do that. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make you. It doesn't make you any more of a man if you get up in her face. Her face. No. Personally, me just leave her there. Just left her alone. And make she do what she do by herself. I'm not gonna play them game then. That's a foolishness. That don't make no sense. Where I get up in a one girl face for, that a fuckery. Me not gonna do that. Anyway. And pow!
Oh shit! God damn!
Welcome to the Gulag. If you survive, you earn your freedom.
Boss man see the stars. Man see the heavens up above. All heap of things just start to come together. Man brain start to calculate certain things as soon as he get connection with the bowling ball. What may I say, Zine? She knock him out. She knock him out instantly. And it's not the fact that she knock him out, you know, that are one thing, you know. But what she do after that. And then she proceeds to play the game. She proceeds to play the game. I just have one question. Why are you dealing with a woman like this to begin with? That's all me want. Personally, me just want to know why, dog. Me just want to know why, dog. Do you know how tough a bowling ball is? This just clearly shows that it's not the first time she done something like this. This clearly shows that she wear the pants in the house. This clearly shows that this man really and truly have low self-esteem, and he really believes that he can't get no more women out there. There's no more women available for him. Only this a foolishness that I want to put up with. I don't understand. Me not understand personally. See, a film life, he can do what he want to do. But Jesus, peace. You can slap you in the head side with a bowling ball, brother. Brother, a bowling ball in a ball. And then the girl proceed to go back, go play the ball in a dog and strike. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna come out here, dog. No. You know what the problem is? He intolerated. And she has zero respect for him. You know what me now? He still gonna go back to her. He's still going back to her. Bro, this man, if you watch the video, you saw that this man has bleed. Like, he bleeding. Yes, he's still moving. But the man, he might still have got hospital. Just to make sure saying you know nothing. Hey, in the comment section there. The comment section there, you know. I can read the comment section, see what them say, because I know see a peer joke are going in. So she should go directly to jail. And what's sad is the person filming thought it was funny. She could have killed that man. Friend them our next thing too, because before the man them tell her say, yo, that woman here, you need to dash her away because she's not working. This is not it. Man them stay back there video and laugh at fighting, you know, brother. Man they on the ground and bleed. And then they are laughing, you know, because it's funny. Yeah? And you still a video it too, you know. A video man a bleed and everything, and there's a laugh and a giggle and make it seem like say this is perfectly normal. Apparently it's perfectly normal. It's normal. It's normal. Listen, it's normal. You don't have to. No. Everything is good. It's normal. Anyway, I'm gonna come off of this before because me again, cause this start to irritate me. If you don't stay this long in that video, make sure say, you know, say, I don't know, I say, like and subscribe. Well, me know what you think in the comment section. I really want to get a grasp of what y'all thinking in the comment section. So let me know, and I'm going to take on myself. Take care of yourself. I will go on.